Making money online is very easy, and the key to start having a passive income online is to take action. And in this video, I will guide you through a process that can help you do just that. I'll show you how to get online money by watching ads, a new method for making $700 online. In this video, I will show you a full step-by-step tutorial on how to set up this amazing income stream. So make sure to pay attention to every second of the video because I will drop some hidden tips and tricks that you can use with this method to maximize your earnings. However, make sure that you guys follow each and every step of this video to make sure that you're not using this method incorrectly. Because if you just go ahead and skip to the end, you might miss some important instructions and you might not make any money at all and end up only wasting your time. So make sure to pay attention to each and every second of the video and start generating a passive income. Like most of the videos we upload on this channel, this method is 100% free and you won't be needing any credit cards or online banking accounts to start making any money online with this method. The 3 steps to earning $700 for viewing ads are as follow. Step number 1, I'm going to be revealing the #1 site that is paying people to watch short advertisements. Step number 2, I'm going to be unveiling how to cash out your earnings with this website. And step number 3, I'm going to show you how to automate your earnings on this website and have others watch the adverts for you. Okay, so let's get started. I'll show you the precise web page and then 2 distinct ways for making the greatest money on this specific website. But first, hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online and you can start to make things happen. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. We reply to every one of our viewers. Now let's get back to the video. So let us proceed to this website called Oju. You can make money by watching ads in this section. As you can see, watching commercials will compensate you for viewing adverts from their advertising partners. So businesses come here to advertise their products and services. They pay Oju and Oju splits the profits with you. They divide the revenue with you solemnly for viewing those commercials. There's no need to purchase anything, it is completely free. So you're going to sign up first and earn money by watching adverts. You need to first create an account. I'm going to show you several advertisements that look like this. View their adverts and money will be deposited directly into your account. So as you can see, you'll get a $20 bonus simply for signing up. You'll earn money by watching advertising, and I'll show you how to earn money on the website in a variety of ways. So let's get into the specific method. When we get over here, this will be our dashboard. The first thing you want to click on is paid to click advertising. Because that's why we got here. We want quick cash and we want to make money simply by clicking on small advertisings. And as you can see right here, there are certain businesses that pay you to click on their adverts. You have unit systems, smart trade currency, time dollars, Halloween promos, and a variety of various commercials. And they're giving out very modest amounts. But the ads are literally only 5 seconds long. You don't have to watch the entire thing, just let it play in a separate browser tab. You can click on every single one of these ads in 10 seconds, and then you will refresh this website so that new adverts appear and your money begins to accumulate in your dashboard. So this is a quick and simple approach to making money on this website. Now the money is not tremendous just for clicking on advertising. You'll have to do a number of various advertisement styles. So I'll teach you an even better technique to start earning money on this website. So you'll go to Oju Grid after clicking offers, and that will bring you to this page. This pays a little bit more, as you can see right here. They're paying roughly $1 just for clicking any place in this image. You're going to click all these advertisements. Little adverts will begin to appear and you will earn much more money with this method. This is a fairly simple task. And honestly, watching these short adverts is one of the simplest ways to make money online on the internet. Now for the next strategy, go to this page, Oju Contest. You're going to gather points as it states in the contest, invite new direct referrals, receive points, and get money on your present balance. So how do you plan on accumulating more points? Well, you'll have to obtain referrals, which means that people will come to this website, will introduce strangers to this website, and they'll watch the commercials for us. These are some of the prize winners, as you can see. This person won $200, this one got $100, this one $50 for the third place and $40 for the fourth place. And then if you finish lower than 15th, you'll earn $5. Any extra money is actually welcome. And as a tip to maximize your earnings, I'm going to show you how to attract thousands of people to come to this website and watch advertisements for you, so you can earn not just from what they earn, but also win this contest every single time, okay? And take the first slot. I'll show you exactly how to acquire more points and win the contest. You're probably wondering what direct referrals mean. So if you refer someone to this website and they sign up and start making money watching commercials, you'll be compensated for your efforts. Now, if you have 40 direct referrals, and this is their benefits calculator by the way, you're going to make $700 per month. Repeating this every month is gonna guarantee that you get $700 at least, based on your referrals who are watching the ads for you. Let's imagine we get 500 people to visit this website, right? You'll make $1,714 a month from people watching advertising on our website. This is a safe bet. I can easily show you how to get 2,000 individuals to visit this website within the next month. And that's going to be $5,000 in pure profit from this website. So I'll teach you exactly how to achieve that. So go ahead and click on Affiliate Program over here, which will take you to this page. And in general, you will receive 30% commission of whatever your referrals earn on this website. So if one person that you referred makes $100, you will receive $30. So if you get 1,000 referrals, each earning $100, you'll get $30 from each multiplied by 1,000. And obviously, this grows exponentially. So if you receive 2,000 referrals, 3,000 and so on, it means you will earn more and more money without having to physically log into the website and view the ads for yourself. But wait, I'd like to remind you that here at EarnPal, we have a lot of videos about how to make money online. And the best thing that you can do to increase your passive income is to have different income sources throughout the internet. And that's the goal of our channel. We are trying to teach you how to generate an online passive income stream to reach financial freedom. I put a lot of time and effort into these videos and their research to ensure that each one of these methods work. So I would really appreciate it, guys, if you help us out and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also don't forget to leave a like and comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. We're going to scroll down and you'll notice this tiny link right here, this link to promote. This is my special referral link. You will have your own special link, and you'll be compensated if someone clicks on this link, signs up for Oju, and begins watching ads. So what we're going to do is copy this URL, and then I'll teach you this method. This is a simple, free traffic approach that could result in hundreds of referrals. We're going to facebook.com now. And we're going to type in Make Money Online Club USA into this search field. This is one of the most profitable groups. It has around 200,000 members from the United States who want to make money online but don't know how. So what we're gonna do is take our referral link that we got earlier and make a post on this group. Also, make sure to put a message saying that you can visit this website to make money while watching ads. And most people will actually be interested in that, and they will be watching ads for you. And what's good about this group is that they will let you do it because they encourage people to post their links and share their business chances with this community. So that's exactly what this group is going to accomplish for you. We'll post our link, we have access to over 200,000 members, and we'll get at least a few hundred people to click on our link and sign up for Oju. Next thing you know, people are actually going to start watching ads, making money for themselves and also for you, and you're gonna start accumulating points and money. So not only will you start making money passively, but you will also be able to win contests and get extra money, which is very good as a passive income stream. And so there you have it. That brings us to the end of today's video. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell to be updated whenever we post new content on this channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment down below, and as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Take care of yourselves.